Hello friend, if you are using GoFullPage URL, you must have seen that it has been disabled by Chrome. Also, it is not available anymore in Chrome Store or anywhere. Like if you search on Google or in anywhere, you will find that GoFullPage was temporarily removed by Chrome. And if you try to open this URL, it's not available. Or if you search here in Chrome Store like GoFullPage, you will find that it's not anymore there. So do not worry, you can still take the full page screenshot. You can use this tool screenshot with URL full page screenshot. You can see thousands of developers have already migrated to this, and this is absolutely safe and secure. You can just simply install this, add to Chrome. This is also available on Edge browser, so there also you can install this. So once you install this, here you can pin it to toolbar as usual as any other extension. Click on the logo here, and there you will find multiple options and a lot of things. Let's say you want to take the full page screenshot, click on this, and this is amazing tool which also provide you an option like in between you can stop this at any point of time also, like if you don't want to take the full page screenshot, if you want to stop anywhere. So there are many features. This is very safe and secure tool. So you see that this has taken the screenshot, and it also capture the URL of your screenshot, URL of the page in the screenshot. So here you can see that URL is also available, and then the full page screenshot is also available. So very helpful tool, absolutely safe and secure. You guys can install and use it. There are many features available in this tool, like if you want to download this in PNG format or any other formats. So there are a lot of options available under settings. You can also open the editor, console, network logs, and a lot more things you can do. You can save it to your desired location as well, and lot more features like visible area, selected area, dual select. Lot more things are available. So this is the best replacement for GoFullPage. Go and give it a try, and you will love this. And do share it with others, those who are facing the challenge after like GoFullPage is not available anymore. So please do share it with others. Definitely it will help them, those who are looking for the replacement. Thank you.